What's up everybody, welcome to Park Mazda. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2024 Mazda CX-90 PHEV GSL all-wheel drive, coming in this beautiful Rhodium White Metallic color. This vehicle does come in with a 2.5-liter e-Skyactiv PHEV plug-in hybrid with an inline-4 and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle is the full hybrid version of the CX-90s with 42 kilometers of electric motor range capacity, plenty enough to commute to work or run errands around the city. Power output looks like a solid 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. You get your 19-inch silver metallic alloy wheels, a gorgeous blacked-out front-end grille with rear-tinted windows, and because this vehicle is equipped with an electric and gas engine, you will have access to both electric charging plugins as well as for gasoline. In the GSL trim, you're going to get rear parking sensors and advanced keyless remote entry, so you don't have to use your key fob and press the unlock button. In the interior of the CX-90 PHEV GSL, you're going to get a full 12.3-inch LCD digital gauge display with My Drive to select 4 drive modes: Sport, Normal, EV, or Off-Road. Depending on which drive mode you select, you will get different responses within your throttle response, handling, and overall driving dynamics. You got a sleek-looking center dash with your HMI commander and your new Mazda transmission stick shift with a nice leather armrest. You get a Bluetooth and infotainment control on the left side of the steering wheel with your adaptive cruise control functions on the right-hand side, automatic headlights with auto rain sensing wipers, and as well as automatic high beams. And for the seats, all the way back to the third row, we get these beautiful leatherette upholstery, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and captain's chairs in the second row and third row seats. You get power on the driver's side and passenger side, driver's side having lumbar support. On the left-hand side of the driver's cockpit, you get your eye active sense, parking sensors, and traction control to turn on and off, as well as access to your power trunk. You got heated seats for both driver and passenger, and a heated steering wheel, automatic tri-zone climate control with separate rear climate control in the second row, and a wireless phone charger. So that's going to wrap it up here for this quick walk around of the 2024 Mazda CX-90 PHEV GSL. If you guys have any more questions or want more information about this unit, please visit us at parkmazda.ca, and please like, subscribe, and comment what you think about this vehicle. Thanks for watching, everybody.